Well, it's been just over a year since Lewis and Clark County launched its Criminal Justice Services Department. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian reports department leaders are already pointing to results from their efforts to reduce the jail population.
The Lewis and Clark County Criminal Justice Services Department has grown significantly since being created in 2017.
Our department has 6 people in a very small office.
The voter-approved levy that paid for operating an expanded county jail also included money for programs to reduce the number of people in jail. This week, leaders released a report showcasing the impacts they've already seen.
The judges are seeing it as positive. We're seeing it as positive.
The most prominent program so far is pretrial services. Whenever someone is arrested, state employees complete a public safety assessment to determine how likely they are to reoffend or miss court appearances. Judges can use those assessments to decide whether they can be safely released before trial. Pretrial officers then work with those defendants to make sure they make their court dates.
That keeps our community safe. We know where they're at, and it helps alleviate that pressure on the jail.
Leaders say keeping people out of jail saves the county more than $100 a day. As of Friday, 280 people were assigned to the pretrial program. So far, leaders say 85% of those defendants have made it to court and haven't reoffended.
That's pretty huge.
There will be more additions in the future. The department wants to put more emphasis on mental health assistance. They're also partnering with United Way to find ways to work with families involved with the justice system. And they're looking at how to improve data sharing throughout the system.
We're just a year old. Things don't happen overnight. The community should be so proud of what has been accomplished in these last 12 months. We have a lot further to go.
In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Funding for the Criminal Justice Services Department comes partly from the voter-approved levy and partly from grants from the state of Montana and the Montana Healthcare Foundation.